In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a board in monday.com. Sharing boards is a fundamental part of collaboration on this powerful platform, and it allows you to invite your team members to view, edit, and contribute to the projects you are working on together. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need to do is locate the board you wish to share. Once you've found it, look towards the top right corner of your screen and you'll see a link icon. This link icon is your gateway to sharing your board. Click on that icon and a shareable link will be generated. However, before your teammates can access this link, they need to be a part of your workspace team. So let's take a couple of steps back and make sure your team members are all set up to join you. To invite them, head over to your profile picture, which is also situated in the top right corner of the interface. Clicking on your profile picture brings up a drop-down menu where you will find an option labeled Teams. Click on Teams and you will be directed to a page where you can manage your team settings. Once you're in the Teams section, you should see an Invite button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to start adding the email addresses of the people you'd like to invite to your workspace. This step is crucial because only team members who have been officially invited can access boards and collaborate with you. So take a moment here to carefully type in the email addresses. Double-check the addresses for accuracy to ensure no one gets left out due to a typo. Once you've added all the necessary emails, those team members will receive an invitation via email to join your workspace. Once they accept the invitation, they will officially become part of your team on monday.com. Now, with your team set up, the magic link you generated earlier can truly come into play. You can share this link with your newly invited team members, allowing them to access the board directly. This seamless and secure sharing method ensures that only the people you've chosen will have access to the important work you're doing. That's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently share your boards, enabling teamwork and collaboration like never before. Whether you're coordinating projects, tracking progress, or simply keeping everyone in the loop, these steps make it simple and effective. Happy collaborating, and thanks for watching.